is a live look at the beautiful skyline of Nashville, Tennessee, where the stage is set for a matchup between the Hurricanes and the Predators. Alongside Casey Yates, I'm Tyler Jacoby. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this one from Ford Ice Arena.
There we go. And the puck is dropped, and it's taken by the Preds. They carry it into the zone. He shoots, and it goes wide to the left of Ethan Stampf. Oh, almost carried out of the zone, but taken by the Preds once again. They fight for it, captured by the Canes, throwing into the Canes' attacking zone. Preds take control. Throw it from side to side, taken by the Canes. They carry it in, and it goes wide. And the whistle blows.
I think it was a goal. It was a goal there by Carolina Set Hockey. That was a great job there, just trying to put in the puck in deep, getting a shot on net. Nashville does not have a goalie, so they are struggling in that department.
Oh, it looks like Hunter Jackson is taking the crease. Ethan Clark on the faceoff for the Canes, wins it. Controlled by the Canes. There's a battle. Oh, thrown into the Preds attacking zone. The D goes for it. Controlled by the Preds. Oh, the Canes grab it and shoot, but it goes wide. Nashville Predators take control, carrying it in. Defended. Oh, keep control. Battle on the boards. The Preds win it once again. Battle continues. Back into the Preds defensive end. Hunter Jackson throws it out of the zone. But the Canes bring it back in, and it's offsides.
Yeah, the Sud Preds are looking to get back on the board here, tie this game up. You know, Hunter Jackson and Will Fowler are both really good players for Sud Preds, so you know their offense looking to find a stride here.
Ethan Clark takes another face-off here for the Canes. As we wait for everyone to get set. Oh, and another win by the Canes on the face-off. Slides along the boards. Preds take control, captured by the Canes. Preds with it again. Back to the Canes. Tries for a pass, but nobody there. On the left wing. Up into the Preds defensive end. Ethan Clark carries it behind the net. Oh, but it's captured by the Predators, who attempt to carry it out of their zone. And do. Into the center and into the Canes defensive end. And a shot, but a save by Ethan Stampf. Goes behind the net. And another shot, another save. Preds keep control. Another shot. This one goes wide to the right Stampf.
No goal. The refs are saying no goal there, but that was a great find by the Sud Preds to calls there right in the crease. I'm not sure why they waved that off. I can't tell if the goalie made the save there, but that was a great job by Will, just putting on net and calls there in the front of the net, just get a shot on net there.
Face-off will be to the left of Ethan Stampf and the Canes defensive end as everyone gets set.
Yeah, so far it's been a really good game here. You know, both teams are very equal, and you know, it's been hasn't been outmatched here. So
Puck dropped. Preds grab it. On a shot. On a deflection.
Russell in the crease.
Oh,
Ooh.
another save. Preds keep it. To the right of Ethan Stampf along boards. Ethan Clark there. Hit. Kings take the puck. Looking for a pass. Puck out of the slot. Carries it to the left side boards. There's a battle. Kings with the attempt break out. It looks like they do. Carry it through into the center zone. The Preds grab it and attempt to bring it back.
What a move there by Will Fowler. And what a pass.
And he tries to pass it back, but it's broken up by the Kings defender. Ethan Stampf at the cover, and the whistle will blow.
That was a great look there. You know, Will Fowler with the great pass to Russell, right across crease, and you know, just Russell couldn't get a handle of that puck. So, you know, that was a great opportunity for Sled Preds there to get on the board, but just couldn't cash in.
Here's another face-off from the Kings defensive end. This time, it's not Ethan Clark. He will take it. Puck drops. And the Kings try to just toss it out. The Preds grab it, take control.
Great opportunity and cross. Oh, save. What a save there by the goalie. It was a great opportunity right in front of the crease. Couldn't, you know, Sled Preds couldn't cash in. You know, they've had a lot of opportunities here, but couldn't cash in.
Ethan Stampf's been on his game so far here. Almost 6 minutes in.
Yep, 6:56 left in the first period. Kings are up 1-0.
Oh, the Kings throw it into the Preds defensive end. Hunter Jackson tries to break it out and does. This will not go for icing. Kings take it, but it's pass broken up, and the Preds have the puck once again. Back to the Kings, and it'll be the Preds again. And the Kings end. Carry it through the slot. Shoot. And another save.
Yeah, you know Ethan Stampf is playing a really good game here for the Carolina Hurricanes. You know, but Will Fowler's looking at a lot of opportunities. You know, it's only a matter of time before he cashes in, and you know, but he's done a great job so far. You know, both teams, both teams have done a great job.
Preds win that face-off with a shot. Will Fowler with it again. Oh, but it's broken up. Kings take control. And just toss it out of their end. All the way to the Preds defensive end. Fowler with it. Pressured. Oh, taken down. pops right back up. And once again, the Canes take the puck. Oh, and a shot, but it goes up over the net. It's the window, and the Preds take control. Canes in the center zone with the puck, attempting to rig it back in, and they do. In the Preds end now. And a pass.
What a pass.
Here's Olivier Laveri taking the puck through the slot. Oh, defended by Hunter Jackson.
That was a great stop by Hunter Jackson. Using his goalie skills as a skater.
Here the Preds carry it through the center zone. It's like Will Fowler once again. Defended hard there, but he fights off that defender. Puck's now to the right of Ethan Stampf. The Canes control it. Carry it back through center.
Uh-oh.
Still carrying it. Oh, Will Fowler is there. With the bump on Ethan Clark. Oh, nice attempt at a pass, but Ethan Clark couldn't collect it. And the puck ends up in the Kings' defensive end once again. Here, we're carrying it behind the net. Looking for an outlet. It'll be Olivier Laveri with a pass, but it's broken up. But she collects it again. Carries through center. Looks for a pass, but the whistle blows.
That was a tight offsides there by Carolina. You know, I feel like it was a close offsides, but you know, couldn't cash in there.
Center zone face off. Won by the Canes as they carry it, but Will Fowler with the hit. Oh, collects the puck, takes it into the Canes zone.
What a pass!
And a pass. Will Fowler with it again. Defended.
Yeah, Sled Preds are having a lot of opportunities here, you know, but their passing has not, you know, been up to par, you know, as of right now. But I feel like they can get it, you know, under control here. I think, you know, Will Fowler's done a great job here, and I think they can do it. I think they can do better.
Yeah, Will Fowler has been their best player, as I believe he often is. Here's the Canes with it in the Preds defensive end, and a pass. Oh, in the crease. Preds control it. Nice outlet, but it goes for icing. Just over 2 minutes left in the first period. Puck will be dropped in the Preds defensive end. Wait for a change by the Canes, it looks like. Wait to get everyone set. Canes win that face off, but the Preds take it, knock it out of their zone. Oh, the Canes try to bring it back, but defended there. Always a battle along the boards. Preds take it back. Preds with it still. There's a battle. This one, I believe, won by the Canes. Xavier Jacob with the shot, deflected.
And it looks like it was a goal there by Carolina. You know, Hunter Jackson couldn't make the stop there, but you know, nothing you can do. You know, he's a skater. You know, he has to adapt to the changes of being a goalie, and you know, it's tough. So, but Carolina gets the 2-goal lead with 1 minute and 16 seconds left in the first period.
Canes take control off that face-off, but then it's left and the Preds grab it. Now they control it.
That was a great job by Russell there, just to keep it onside. You know, it's a great play.
Will Fowler shoots, goes wide. Over in the corner, grabbed by the Canes. They carry it out of his own, but not much more. As Olivia Laveri is taken down. "30 seconds remaining. Preds, Hunter Jackson with the save.
I think that hit the post there by Carolina. It was a great opportunity to score there.
Canes control now behind the net.
Looks like Carolina just scored there. It was a great job by staying in front of the net, waiting for the puck to dribble out, and scored a goal there. Canes are up 3-0 now.
Another face-off into the center zone with just over 12 seconds remaining here in the first period. Won by the Canes there. They get to it. Carry it through the zone. Oh, deflected by the Preds. And that is how the first period will come to an end. Canes up by 3.
Yeah, I mean that was a good first period. You know, it's tough for Sled Preds. They don't have a goalie, so it's tough to adapt to the changes there. You know, but they just gotta keep putting pucks in net. I mean, I think Will Fowler and Hunter Jackson and a lot of the guys on Sled Preds are doing a great job. Just and Russell, a lot of guys are just doing a great job just putting pucks in net, but just can't cash in.
Definitely.
It's been tough for them, but. I think they can get it done here. I think 1 goal is all it takes for them to get back in it, and but Carolina on the other hand has done a great job just putting pucks in net. Also, I mean they got a lot of great players. They're a skilled team, so it's gonna be tough for Sled Preds to handle them, but they've done a great job here, both teams.
Yeah, I think it just comes down to experience. I mean, Ethan Stampf has been playing goal for several years now, and like you said, I mean, Hunter Jackson usually is a skater. He plays defense, so
yeah. I mean, it's both teams have to adapt here. I mean, it's tough having not having a goalie. Playing with 6 skaters, and having a goalie that's been playing for a lot of years now. So it's tough. It's tough for both teams. I'd like to also give a moment to thank our broadcasting crew here. We got Tyler Jacoby here as the play-by-play. Then we got myself, Casey Yates as the analyst, and then we have a great camera person with Hannah McCurdy. Great person. Thankful that she's doing it. Helping out. It's a great broadcasting crew that we have here.
Both teams come out, get ready for the opening face-off of the second period. Canes up by 3. Everyone gets set. Puck drops. Preds will win this one. Carry it through center. Past the blue line into the Canes zone. We'll follow with it. Defended pretty hard by the Canes there. Xavier Jacob goes for it.
Ooh, that was a big hit there in the corner.
It was about a 2-on-1 Canes. And the Preds will take this one. But a pass broken up by the Canes.
That was a nice little spinorama move there by Carolina.
The Preds continue to attack. Will Fowler carries it.
Ooh, and Will Fowler says I can do a spinorama too.
This one will go up over the net. To the left of Ethan Stampf. Let's take it. Wait for a pass. Gets it off to Will Fowler. Carries it across the ice. Now back towards the slot. Shoots.
Ooh.
Over the net again.
Preds are really piling up the shots here in the second period. You know, they're doing a great job here pressuring Carolina.
There's another board battle. And it looks like it'll be Will Fowler with it again. Starts along the boards. Goes and gets it. Here's it toward the middle. This shot, not a lot on it. But he grabs it again. Oh, goes to the pass in the slot.
Russell's right there in front of the crease. You know, just couldn't get a handle on the puck there. That was a great feed in front by Will Fowler.
The puck is in the Preds defensive end, over in the corner. Looks like Ethan Clark will go for it. Gets hit by the Preds defender there. Keeps control. They battle for it. The Preds attempt to break out, and they do. Will Fowler defended hard there, but hits away on a breakaway here. He shoots.
Oh!
Blocked by Ethan Stampf.
Hit the post there. That was a great chance.
Looked to me like it went off his helmet, but
Ooh, and a big hit along the boards there. That was a great job getting the puck in deep by Preds there.
Clark grabs it, it goes down. The Preds defender will take it from him. It's a pass. Will Fowler shoots.
Ooh.
Blocked. Blocked again. Canes take control. Just throw it out of their zone. The Preds bring it back.
Not sure why there was a whistle there. Not sure. I mean, it wasn't offsides. I mean, I don't know what the whistle there was for. I think maybe delayed offsides. You know, they just wanted to blow the whistle. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. That was a weird call.
Face off, won by the Preds. Carried into the Canes zone. Will speaks for it. Will Fowler.
Will Fowler came in there with great speed. Just couldn't make it. Oh! Oh!
And a couple shots. All blocked.
Another shot! Dude, Russell did a great job there, getting 3 shots on net. Just couldn't cash in. Nice little spin around shot.
Spin. Puck is collected by Will Fowler, who just throws it along the boards. Taken by the Canes. Going from side to side. Behind the net. Ethan Clark with it. Goes for a pass. Nobody there. Breaks it out of their zone. Canes skate through center. Cut zone. So with it. Oh, gets taken down. Just tosses it across the ice. There's a pass by the Canes. It's Olivia Laveri with it. Shoots. Oh. Goes wide. Now it stops in the corner. Laveri waits. Goes for the breakout. Gets it. Not quite. Laveri takes the puck in the Preds end. Passes to Xavier Jacob. Skates with it a little bit. Another pass. Controls it. Goes toward the slot. Shoots.
Looked like a hit on top of the net there by Carolina. That was a weird shot.
Puck escapes.
Oh!
Through center into the Canes end. Two Canes players go for it.
Looks like there was some interference going on there. Could be called on both sides there, but it was a great job there by Will Fowler, just putting the puck on net. You know, they spent some time in the D zone there. You know, Carolina was putting a lot of pressure on them, but you know, they found a way to get out and put a great puck on net. And you know, here is the face-off draw on the right side in their offensive zone.
That puck will be captured by Will Fowler of the Preds. Fought off by the Canes. We take control. Back to Will Fowler.
Oh, that was a great deke there by Will Fowler, going right to left.
Skates it back into the Canes end. Defended.
They're doing another offsides there. They might be playing by different rules, you know. But that wasn't offsides. They didn't touch it. You know, it wasn't offsides. They might be playing the delayed offside rule that they have. I don't know. That's kind of odd to me. You know, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in the future here.
Center zone draw. By the Preds. Will Fowler skates with it.
It was a great job by the Preds there, staying on sides.
Oh, there's a Canes player down.
Uh-oh.
Looks like he's okay. That's Bennett Harding. Puck in the center zone. Preds have it.
Great clear by Hunter Jackson there. Playing goalie and skater.
Battle. 1-2. pass. Another pass. Nobody there.
Excuse us for the
The Kings bench. Put it. Deflect. Now it's from the Preds bench. Then Harding tries to bring it back. Preds end.
Will Fowler with a couple great moves there. Just clears it. Looks like it's gonna be called for. No, they're gonna wave it off. Interesting move there by the refs.
He's playing seats with it, throws it up along the boards. Preds player captures it. Ben Harding of the Hurricanes. And they remain in control. But he's broken it once again by Will Fowler. Oh, Will Fowler is hit, but he remains on his blade. Skating with it, but it's broken up. Goes in. Takes the breakaway here. Shoots. And scores!
What a great shot there by Carolina. Getting the lead 4-0 now. You know, it's nothing much you can do there if you're Hunter Jackson. You know, it's a tough shot to tough shot to save there. So it's a great job. Carolina's up 4-0. Let's see if the Sud Preds can bounce back, you know, and let's see if Carolina can keep up the pressure here.
Face off in the center zone, won by the Canes. Clears it. Oh, defended hard there by the Preds. But they remain in control. Battle in the middle of the Preds in there. Another breakaway for the Canes.
What a save! What a save there by Hunter Jackson. Excuse me there.
Out of the Preds end.
Oh, what a hit there. Looks like Will Fowler just ran on the boards.
Pass in there. Clark is going for it. Skating with it. Off and hit. And look up the door in the corner. Where Will Fowler looks like we'll pick it up once again. Throws it along the boards. He jumps it into the ice. And that will go for an icing.
Yeah, I think both teams have done a great job here. You know, Carolina has done a great job just keeping up the pressure. You know, putting shots in net. And Preds have done the same thing. You know, they just haven't cashed in yet. I mean, it's, you know, they've had like a lot of shots in this game. They're not really keeping track of the shots here, but you know, they've done a great job here, just putting pucks on net. And you know, it's only a matter of time before they get their first goal here. You know, we'll see.
What's your 30 seconds remaining in the second period here? Face off won by the Kings in the Preds end. Goes for pass. No one's there. Picked up by the Queens. Skates with it. Shoots. Blocked by Hunter Jackson. Skates into the corner.
And that is the end
Try to break it out.
of the second period. Carolina is up 4-0. It was a tough period for Sled Preds, but you know, nothing really you can do if you don't have a goalie. I mean, it's unfortunate, it's tough, but I think they've done a great job adapting. I mean, the score's only 4-0. They've had a lot of shots. Carolina's had a lot of shots on net, so they've done a good job adapting, and we'll see. We'll see what this next period comes. What do you think Carolina needs to do, or what do you think both teams need to do?
I would say just for the Canes. I mean, they've played a great game. I'd say both teams have. The Canes are just, they've been pressuring really well, and I think they just need to continue that. I mean, to me, I would say, like the Preds, it looks like they've just been kind of passing to nobody. I would say just make sure you're looking where you're passing.
Yeah, I think those are good points. I think the Sled Preds just need to just be calm. They had time. Just be calm and you have time to make the pass, and you got to make the right pass. So, but I think they also need to just cash in on their opportunities. They've had like 30 shots this game. Again, they're not counting the shots, but if they were, I feel like it'd be close to 30. So, definitely had their shots, but they just got to cash in.
I mean, like you said, 12 minutes is still a lot of time.
Yeah.
Just kind of settle in.
Yeah, Sled Preds are not out of this by any means. I think if they can just get a couple quick goals here, we'll see what happens.
Preds take control off that opening face-off. A pass. Another pass. Defenseman. They try to carry it out, but the players hit by the Canes. We'll be able to take control.
Great clear.
Remains in the center zone. Very with it again. Skates in. Keeps skating with it. Oh, shoots.
Just wide.
Now the puck is thrown by the Preds into the Kings' defensive end. Laveri playing defenseman now. Looking up the boards. All the way in the Preds end. There's a battle. The Preds player goes down. Still battling. Still battling with it. Hunter Jackson throws it away from the crease. Tries to break out. Blocked by the Canes. Let's control this again. I think they've got attempts.
Ooh, that was a good look there by Russell, just getting it with the pass, but just couldn't connect.
There's Olivia Laveri Across the Benny Hardy off his stick. The Preds a little. I thought they were going to kick it. But Hunter Jackson. Ooh! That save there.
Looks like it's going to be called icing here. The refs finally made that icing call. They've been kind of playing it loose here. They've let it, they've let the teams both play on. They haven't really called much here. So we'll see what happens next. But I think it's gonna be the same. I think they're not gonna call much and let them play.
To the right of the Preds goaltender. One by the Preds. Just throw it out of the zone there. Put the ball on the boards. Jacob goes for it.
Ooh, came in hot there. Looks. Oh, it's gonna be offsides by Carolina. They made an offsides call. That was a correct offsides call there. The guy did touch the puck over the blue line. They've been calling these offsides where, they didn't touch it. They didn't touch it over the blue line. So I don't know why. I don't know why they're doing that one. It's weird calls there. Looks like Will Fowler has entered the game back. He took some time on the bench there. So we'll see what he can do here.
We draw in the center zone. Who's left by the Preds? Canes will grab it. Looks like it's underneath the blades of a Canes player here.
Ooh, the puck's dribbling out.
Will Fowler will break away. He shoots.
Scores! That's a great job there. Will Fowler with the great goal. Puts the Preds on the board here. Now they're down by 3. I mean, the comeback is on here. The comeback is on.
As you said, it only takes one. Now they know they can. Now they know that you can Stampf can be beat.
Yeah, only takes one goal here. That's a lot of momentum that they just got. Who knows what can happen here. It's a great job by Will Fowler.
Clark throwing the puck off the boards. The Preds end. In the corner, Fowler chases down. Easy goal. Picks it up again. Goes for the pass. Broken up. Puck slides across the ice.
Looks like it's gonna be called icing here. Yes. As it'll be a face-off in the offensive zone of the Preds, looking to get a second goal here. If they can win the face-off, get a quick shot, anything could happen here. So this is an important face-off for the Preds here, but also important face-off for the Carolina Hurricanes. They're trying to get the puck out, trying to defend this lead that they have. So this is an important face-off for both teams.
So both teams need to continue to play hard for the last buzzer. To the left of the Stampf. Selected by Will Fowler. Shoots not a lot on that one. Puts it up again. That slides away. After by the Canes. But chase down.
Great hustle there. Great hustle by Will Fowler.
It was been, I mean, everywhere throughout this game.
Looks like that's a goal there by Carolina. It was a turnover by the Sled Preds, and they picked it up and scored a goal there. So it's going to be 5-1 Carolina. It's a great job for Carolina. You know, they're keeping up the pressure. It's going to be a tough hill to climb here for Sled Preds.
Preds take it. And foul it. Here's the deep slot. Defended by the Canes. Hard there. Oh, and a hit along the boards.
Oh!
Another nice hit there.
Big hit along the boards.
A battle ensues. Like the Canes will take it. Oh, Ethan Clark skates down the ice. This is a breakaway. Oh, defended there by that Preds player. The Canes take it up once again. Now over the Preds. Something to break out. Preds take control. Swinging in the center. So by the Kings, they get to the Preds zone. Follow on my shot. We'll go behind the net. Sorted by the Predators. Tries for a pass. Will Fowler skates through the center zone. Tries a shot from way out. Goes wide. Canes will grab it. They will attempt to break out. Nobody there on that pass. Brennan Hardig takes it, tries to pass to Ethan Clark. Working up by Will Fowler. He possesses it. Plays it past the blue line. Canes out in their own zone. Now through center. Preds zone. Nice pass there.
What a pass.
Ethan Clark's got it. He shoots off the stick of Hunter Jackson. Plays out.
I've been very impressed today with Carolina Hurricanes passing. You know, they've done a great job finding the open man, making the right pass, and just scoring a lot of goals here. I've been really impressed with this team.
Pass it right to a Preds defender. There's a battle in the middle of the ice here. Preds have it. And Will Fowler.
Fowler needs to pick up some speed here. He's just kind of like coasting. I feel like he needs to pick up some speed. There you go.
He needs to carry it. Slides through the center zone. Go by the Canes. He goes for a shot. Oh, it goes wide. Behind the net. Preds will control it. In the slot. Looks for a pass. Nobody there. Ethan Clark in his own zone. Tries to break it out. Ends up on the Canes bench, but it'll be flung out.
Looks like that was offsides there by Carolina. Unless they're just blowing the whistle because of the player down there. You know, hopefully he can get up. Be ready to get back on the ice there.
$2:21 remaining. Hurricanes up by 4. As everyone gets set for the face-off in the center zone. Fowler wins it. Pass back to Fowler. Shoots.
What a save!
We'll cover it.
What a save! Ethan's been great all game long. Another great save. Another, great shot by Will Fowler, but that's, he's been textbook. He's been really good today for Carolina. Ethan the goalie. Correction, Ethan Stampf.
It's off to Stamp's right side as everyone sets with just over 2 remaining.
Yeah, if you're the Preds, you just gotta fight hard. You got last 2 minutes, just fight hard, play a clean game for the rest of the game. Just gotta fight.
It's off collected by Predators. Oh, but battle. Fowler takes it. Pass broken up by the Canes. Carried out of their zone. Through center there. It'll be the Canes on a breakaway here. Fowler chasing. And it'll be a goal.
It's a great shot there by Carolina. I think he got a hat trick. I don't know. What's his name again? Number 13 for Carolina?
That is, I don't know his last name, but it's Grant.
Okay.
His first name.
So Grant, I think, he's done a great job this game. I've seen him all over the ice. I think he's had a hat trick here.
I believe you're right.
It's a great job. Both teams have done a great job. Carolina's kept the pressure. And it's, I think the Preds have done a great job just adapting. They've adapted, but there's not much you can do. Not much you can do without a goalie.
Oh, carries it in along the left side. In too close.
What a move and a save.
Inside. Canes will take it. But no, the Preds throw it behind the net. Ethan Clark will collect it. Carries it. Passes it up for Brandon Harding. A little too far ahead of him. And Fowler's there to pick it up once again.
Looks like Sled Preds are having a little bit of trouble getting on sides here.
Fowler places it back in his own zone. Takes it back out. Still carrying it.
That concludes the game. It's a great job by both teams. What an outstanding crowd here. You know, the stands are really packed. You know, it was a great atmosphere all around today. It's a good game. Both teams played well.
And a clean game, not a single penalty.
Yeah, a clean game. Doesn't happen often. You know, both teams very respect a lot. You know, both each other. So it was a great game here.
Thank you for tuning in. That'll do it here from Bellevue Ice Arena in Bellevue, Tennessee.